Singing in Haitian Creole, the students from the Matahunt Elementary School in Mattapan welcome a special guest, actor Jamie Hector, who is also the author of a series of bilingual children's books in English and Creole. Jamie's role today is that of celebrity reader.
The Case of the Grumpy Cat.
I like how the author made it about his kid and his cat.
The event today here at the Matahunt School coincides with Haitian Heritage Month. Jamie Hector grew up in Brooklyn. He's the son of Haitian immigrants. Jamie partnered with Scholastic to create Our Community, Haitian Heritage, which they say is the first and only Haitian-themed book collection for kids.
Meow, says Butter.
When I was growing up, I just didn't have books that inspired me, that motivated me to want to read, because I didn't see myself reflected in those books. But now I do.
The book was amazing.
I liked how she got to overcome her fear.
Complete with a visit by Clifford, this is also a giveaway of books from the Haitian Heritage Classroom Library Collection.
There you go.
For each student.
I usually read every day to help me with my words.
How does it feel to have a book that's bilingual?
It feels very good. I know I could read with my family members. Most of my family members speak Creole too. I feel very happy to have this book with me. It reminds me of when my mom used to tell me stories about Haiti.
Reporting in Mattapan, Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.